If you look at this question, there is a determinant which is given. This is equal to k times x plus y plus z the whole cube. K is equal to dash. A similar question of this format is there in your textbook also. So we'll solve this easily. We know that, see now x, y is there. Now here 2z is there. So if we go by adding the row, we will not get anything to take out. X plus y plus z has to be taken out, right? What we'll do C1 transforms to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So what do we get now? We will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Is it right? Here also 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Here also we'll get 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Is it right? And here we'll get x, y plus z plus 2x, y plus z plus 2x, x, and y and z plus x plus 2y. Is it right? This will be equal to k times x plus y plus z the whole cube. Now from this particular column, we can take out 2 times x plus y plus z out. Yes or no? What remains inside the bracket here is 1, 1, 1. This is x, y plus z plus 2x and x, and then y, z plus x plus 2y. That is equal to, what is it? K into x plus y plus z the whole cube. Alright. Now if you can clearly see, one part here and one part here will get cancelled. We are left with square. So now I can write R1 forms or R2 forms R2 minus R1, and R3 transforms to R3 minus R1. If we transform this, what are we going to get here now? R1 doesn't get transformed, so 1 x and y will remain as it is. Now 1 minus 1 will become equal to 0, and we are left with here x plus y plus z. Is it right? X plus y plus z, and this part will become equal to 0. Similarly, this is 0, and here it will be x plus y plus z. That is equal to 2 times, or that is equal to k times x plus y plus z the whole square. Is it right? Now I can take out x plus y plus z common from the row number 2, also from the row number 3. So I can take out x plus y plus z from the row number 2 and 3. Twice I can take out, so whole square. 1xy 0 1 0 0 0 1, that is equal to k times x plus y plus z the whole square. Now this part and this part will get cancelled. So 2 into 1 into 1 minus 0 minus x into, leave the row and column, 0 minus 0 plus y into, leave the row and column. So your answer will be 0 minus 0. That is equal to k. Is it right? So the value of k will be equal to how much? The value of k will be equal to 2, which corresponds to the option number B in the answer.